Hello everyone and welcome back to another Project Pan update. We made some progress. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup lately, so let's just jump right in. I have the Venus Perfect Brow Mini Kit, which is from Ioni. And my goal was to use up the white highlighter shade, which I have done. And then I'm almost done. Look at the major progress on this pan here. So once that, you can see the pan, you can see the rest of the pan over there. Major progress. And I'm going to continue to work on this, and when that is gone, this product is out. An eyeliner, the Wet n Wild Breakup eyeliner. This is fell to the bottom of the bin. Kind of forgot it was in there, to be honest. So not much progress on this one, I feel. But this is as far as it goes. So it is close to the end, and I am happy with this progress. I have the Rimmel Born This Way brow pencil, and there's been no progress on this at all. I forget about this product all the time. So it is what it is. Benefit Roller Lash is still in the running. I'm getting ready to start fully using just this mascara. There's two mascaras in here, and this one's still in. I have the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and there's been a lot of progress on this product. There is not much left at all, and I'm just going to keep working on it. The LA Colors Glam Lip Mask. And honestly, this fell to the bottom of the bin as well, and I forgot about it. So, not much progress. But you can see all of the label on the bottom there now. So, this is a great little lip mask product. Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. And there is our new mark. We are still making progress on this product, and I'm happy with the progress. This has been in a couple project pans, but we're still working on it. It's a face oil. You just don't need much of it, and it takes forever to get through. The NYX The Marshmallow Primer. I threw this in there. I love the scent of this, and I do like this primer a lot. It's only been here for a couple months, but there is the new marking. So we are working our way through this product. Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist, and very little progress. That's the new mark there, but I only use this to wet my eyeshadows, and usually I only use it with the Wet n Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, because all those shades in that palette are wet or dry eyeshadows, so I usually use it with that. So I haven't made much progress on this. It's a nice product though. I have the I Heart Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray in Vanilla and Coconut. And I have some progress on that. This is the new mark. So moving right along, I expect to have no trouble at all having used this up by the end of the year. The Profusion Feelgood Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. I have barely used any of this, but I can tell you can't really tell where the product is, but by the weight. So I'd say it's about halfway or a little under done with. So close to being done anyways. It's very light. It's a very good foundation. The CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Powder. This is their Clean and Refreshed Complexion line. And I have made progress on this. I've been into wearing powders a lot lately with a little bit of concealer, and you can see there is exposed pan in the back there too, and we just have a rim of powder left. So I'm gonna keep on trucking. Hopefully this will be done by the end of the year. Still working on this Rimmel Kate highlighter, bronzer, blush trio. And in previous project pans, I've used up the highlighter and the bronzer. And here's what I have left of the blush. Quite a bit of progress. I mean, there's quite a bit of the pan showing. There's dips everywhere. beautiful coral blush. And I'm going to keep on working on this. And of course we have the LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. And if you watched one of my recent Get Ready With Me videos, the rest of the bronzer there just fell out in my lap. So the bronzer is finally done. There wasn't much there left to use. This has kind of got like that hard pan on top of it, that hard layer. So I am actually just not going to be using this powder anymore. I don't really like it anyways, but yeah. And some progress on the highlighter there. This highlighter is very pretty. So once the highlighter is done, or at least close to being done, I'm probably going to pass this along to my sister, who can benefit from some of these darker shades. Now moving into products that we've used up, or products that are just on their way out. So first I'm going to share products that have been used up. I have the LA Colors Highlighter Trio in Wild Child. I was using this red, or this peachy shade here that had a red undertone. Super beautiful. I loved it. I finally used it all up. So happy about that. And I dipped into these two from time to time, but I do not love these two. So I'm going to go ahead and pass the rest of this trio on. The Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder. And I love this loose powder. This powder is finally empty. And it really did have a chilling sensation to it. It felt really nice on the skin. It was very finely milled, and I would definitely repurchase this powder again. The Ioni Mascara, the volumizing one. This stuff is definitely on its way out. It has been in my collection for at least a year now, and it is time for it to go. I can tell it's drying up. I never was a fan of this plastic brush either. I always end up poking myself in the eye with it, so it is just time. Another product that is dried up now, and it's that Profusion Glittery Eyeshadow. Gorgeous, gorgeous eyeshadow, by the way. But it is dried up. It no longer works like it used to, and it is time to part ways. A couple more products that are kind of like that. Unfortunately, these next couple products have turned, and it's just not safe to use anymore. And it's the Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour, which I absolutely love. I was almost done with this product here, and I used this to clean my brows up, and I've used it, and I've had this product in my collection for years, so it is past its date. What I really noticed was, and you can see the dents here in these products, but you can tell the consistency's changed a little, and every time I use this concealer under my eyes water profusely, and they kind of burn, so I know that this product is no longer good or safe to use, so I have to say goodbye to this product. And the other product that's doing me like that, unfortunately, because I love this, I'll have to repurchase it, is the Profusion No Budge Eyeshadow Primer. I love this primer. It's great. It doesn't crease. It lasts all day. The eyeshadows stick to it. They're vibrant. I love everything about this primer. But once again, my eyes start to water profusely. I cannot wear eyeshadows on them. It doesn't seem right. It doesn't even have a smell or anything, but I can just tell by how my eyes are reacting to it. I did mark a new notch, so if I pulled down all the product, that's where we were. But this product has to go. It's not safe to use anymore. This final product that's going, it's not because it isn't a good product, but it is just too dark for me, and we're in fall now, and I never have a tan, so I was trying to use it up. I made progress on it, but it's the LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder, and I believe it's in like the shade Buff or something, or Natural, but it's just too dark for me. I'm more in like the porcelain and ivory category, and this was the lightest shade at the time at my dollar store, and I couldn't wait to try this product, so I grabbed it, and I've been using it during summer, but it just never, it doesn't match my skin tone. It's not a perfect match for me. So, a very nice powder though. Very, very nice. But I'm going to give this to my sister, or what's left in it, because it is such a good powder. But instead of bringing in a lot of new products, I thought about that because we are tossing 7 of these products. We either use them up or they're just owed now. 7 of them out of this project pan. I'm just going to introduce one palette. And it's the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe palette. I think the packaging is cute, but I am not a fan, a huge fan of the eyeshadows or nothing in this palette. But this is supposed to be a base color, but I think it would be really pretty nice soft blush. And this highlighter here is top. It is such a beautiful highlighter shade. These are really pretty embossed with some roses. I'll be sad to see that go, but my main focus for this palette will be that highlighter. So I'm going to work on the highlighter, and from time to time I might dip into the eyeshadows or whatnot. But for now, this is the only new product I'm going to roll into the project pan. We're at the end of the year also, so I don't feel the need to try to roll in a bunch of products. Maybe just work on finishing these up as best I can, and then in the new year we're going to start all over again. So stay tuned. There'll be at least 1 or 2 more updates this year. There'll be a how many products we've used up and another official update of how we did for the entire year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional project pan links.